diffusion coefficient over thickness. Okay? So in plus lenses, underestimates dk over t. Best estimate is average thickness. That's why in ordering contact lens, you always want to know what is your center thickness, because that will somehow give you an idea if you will have a problem, especially when it comes to edema or hypoxia. Next, tear mixing. Little tear mixing under soft contact lens because, of course, as I've explained last time, as you can see in my drawings, what's in my drawing? Okay, if this is the cornea, this is the contact lens, and it conforms to the shape of the cornea, correct? There you go. Agree? That's why there's not much tears under. But if you wear RGP, if it's steep, you would notice there's going to be a lot of tears because it's hard. So for soft, not applicable. Tear mixing. So corneal swelling at any point is related to dk over t. Hence, thickness is only relevant in the dimensions, such as reason for poor tear mixing under soft lens. Conformance. As I've said, it conforms to the shape of the cornea. Thick lenses and its profile. Material, such as you have hydrogel, of course, and the lack of lens movement. Okay, so this is how it is. That's the fitting philosophy. Philosophy. There you go. Soft lens BOZR or back optic zone radius is less significant than RGP. This is also known as base curve. Remember, a different fitting philosophy is used, more flexible material producing greater conformity because it conforms, and the thinner post lens, larger changes required for clinical, wherein lenses are more soft, pliable. Therefore, it conforms, not to mention the amount of water content, right? Lenses are more environmental susceptible, in effect, less predictable. Now, viscoelasticity of the contact lens. That's why if you are playing with your contact lens, once you're done, before you throw it, you might want to flex it. You want to stretch it, right? And see how far it can go, because that's another thing that you can see that induced on the centering aid when it comes to self-centering. Because as you notice, you started, did we start fitting? Because with the other sections I
Yes,
did.
to the
Correct. All the sections I believe I did. So we started fitting, and you would notice even if you placed it inferiorly, superiorly, temporally, as soon as you blink, it centers, correct? That's what you call Zach self-centering. Are we clear? Zachy, are we clear? I'm
yes,
not
Doc.
see I'm not seeing your face kasi. That's why I don't know whether you agree or you disagree. All right. And then of course, lens shape most dependent on anterior eye topography, as I've said. Okay. This is for rigidity. Why? Of course, if the soft contact lens is too soft, can you still manage to place it onto the cornea? Of course not, because it's going to be super soft. That's why you add rigidity to it so that you can manage it. All right? Or else it's going to turn into water and you cannot handle water, right? Does that make sense?
Yes, Doc.
Yon, finally. Randall is back. Yon, Randall. My loyal student. Huh? You're my student. All right. So there you go. So remember, Randall tried to catch water. Can you do that? You cannot. you need to use dipper or you use a container for you to catch water, right? Can you catch it with your hand?
No, Doc.
Correct. Very good. That's why you need rigidity. Next, elastic forces, hydrogel lenses are deformed by the lid during blinking. So every time you blink, the hydrogel lens are deformed. Okay? Lens aligns more closely with anterior eye topography, meaning to say, whatever is your eye topography. For example, as I've said, take a look at this. If your cornea is like that, your contact lens would look exactly the same. Correct? Because it will follow the shape of your cornea. Correct? All right. Next, uh, after blink, lens relaxes but process lags behind. Meaning to say, what do you call lag? Lag is like this, which you will do in the lab. So what is lag? If lagging, exactly. If I am already trying to give a quiz, others are lagging. Am I right, Brandale? Meaning to say, not following. Correct? So if I am going here, the contact lens is not following. So that's lagging. Correct? Because this is already my cornea. And the contact lens is still somewhere here. You need to say it's left behind. Correct? For example, Randall, you look up. So when you look up, this goes the movement. This is your cornea. Your contact lens is left behind. That's what you call lag. Is lag good? No.
Doc, nung baliktad yung lagay ko sa contact lens sa partner ko, naglalag.
Naglalag. Ayun.
Masakit.
Naglalag. Correct, correct. Naglalag. Ayan. Yan. Okay. Okay. Now, lens lag. Yan si lens lag. Viscoelastic properties of the lens prevent an instantaneous response. Lens relaxation may involve movement and change in volume. In posterior lens, as we all know, in the very thin, is mainly viscous mucin and lipids. Lens movement is snap. Magnitude of lid force influence the apparent fit, meaning to say, the tighter the lid, yan. What it's saying here is, if you have a tight lid, the greater the torque. Yan. What is torque? The relationship of the contact lens as to the fit. Remember, it's sandwiched. So this is your, assuming that's your contact lens, and this is your cornea, and this is your lid. So in between is your contact lens. If your lid is very tight, there's a tension, right? Okay, so thus creating, what the heck happened here? Erk, erk. Okay, there you go. The magnitude of lid force influence the apparent fit. That's what it means. For soft lens base curve, for low rigidity lenses, changes of base curve are less effective. Meaning to say, base curve, when it comes to soft contact lens, as to creating whether flat or steep, is very relative to compare with RGP. RGP, it's too easy because it doesn't follow nor it doesn't conform to the shape of the cornea. Aya is watching something. He changed it. All right. For sorry about that. My son is watching something that is not supposed to be watched alone. Okay. So, um, are we clear with this? For low rigidity, changes of base curve are less effective because it's so soft, right? Correct? It will just follow the shape of the cornea, correct? That's why you would notice, Randale, when it comes to base curve, it doesn't really matter because soft contact lens is already designed. Yeah, Ahia, why are you watching someone like with a knife? Doesn't matter. I don't want you to be watching that. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, Randale, do you understand this? Meaning to say, because the contact lens is so soft, it will just follow the shape of the cornea, right? That's why even if you say, oh, my base curve according to my calculation should be, let's say, 8.8. But what is available is actually 9 or even 9.2 or even 9.5. Will you use that contact lens? The answer is yes, right? You will still use Randale because that's what's available. It's more forgiving because it's soft, because it will follow the shape of the cornea, right? But if it's hard, if I give you, if your corneal shape, let's say, is 7.8 and I gave you 8, do you think it will have a good fit? No. Why? Because the hard contact lens will not follow the contour of your cornea because it's not soft, correct? So when it comes to RGP, you have to be specific with base curve. When it comes to soft contact lens, it does not matter much. Randall, are we clear with that? You understand that, right? Okay. Next, the upper lid covers more of a soft lens, meaning to say, because we understand when it comes to soft contact lens. What is noticeable with soft contact lens, Randall? You've used it last time. What is noticeable? It has large diameter. Malaki ang diameter ng soft. Automatic na yan. Walang maliit na diameter na soft contact lens. Okay? Kaya cover ng soft contact lens. Yan. Correct? Now, lens resting position, static position. You have movement induced by blink, front surface design needed to optimize because sabi nga natin, ang RGP ay matigas. Parang ganito lang ang analogy ko dyan, Randall. Parang anak kong matigas ang ulo. Kahit anong uutos ko, yan, nanonood na naman ng kung ano-ano. No, Randall. Yan, kasi matigas siya. Pag soft siya, it will just follow the shape. Correct? Are we clear so far? Clear? No questions? Question. Yes, Randy. Do you have a question? None. All right. All right. So this is the SAG. So the SAG is like this. Okay, ganito lang yan. To make it easier. Yan. Okay. If this is your cornea, di ba, you would wear contact lens. Now, if I wear contact lens na, give me an example. Flat or steep? What do you want, Randall?
Flat.
Okay. If it's flat, it's like this. Okay. Now, what is the sag? Is the distance from the back of the contact lens to the cornea. What can you say about the sag? Okay, to give you an example, gawin din natin ng steep. Yan. Ito yung cornea. Oh, ano masasabi mo sa sag?
Dok, kapag steep, mataas yung sa
Very good.
pababa.
Very good. Ayan. O yan, Randall, naintindihan mo. Does it mean naintindihan din ng classmates mo? I hope so. Clear naman ang instruction ko, no? Clear ba yung explanation ko? Clear naman? Ayan. Ayan, clear tayo dyan. Alright. So, yan ang SAG, guys. SAG. So, it will vary. Different design, different behavior, of course. Totoo naman yon, di ba? Kaya mag-vary yan kung anong klaseng design. Parang kotse yan. Ang kotse, lahat naman pwede mong gamitin to drive, di ba? Pero, depende na yan sa design. Yung electric against, anong klaseng kotse? O yung Ferrari. Yan. Di ba iba performance doon? Pag iba design, iba performance. Alam naman na natin yan sa lahat ng bagay. Correct? Tama ba, Randall? Magdi-differ yan pag nagkaroon ka ng bagong design. Because design matters. Ayun. O tandaan mo, Randall, design matters, ha? O parang kotse, di ba? Pag nag-iba ka ng design, iba na rin ang dating niyan, iba na rin ang takbo niyan. Tama ba? O yan. Alright. So ito, nasabi ko naman na to. Alam mo na to. Yan, perfect example mo yon, Randall. Mas maganda lang yung drawing ko dito. Tama ba? Maganda ba yung drawing ko dito? Pero naintindihan mo naman yung drawing ko kanina, di ba?
Opo, Dok. Perfect.
Perfect. Ayun ang gusto ko. Perfect. Yan o. Very good. Sige nga, kung tanungin kita, pag malaki ang diameter, anong klaseng fit ang nakikreate? Sige.
Ano, Dok? Effectively steeper.
Pag malaki, mas steeper. Pag mas maliit, flatter, loose. Correct. Ayan. Very good, very good, very good, Randall. Very good. Ayan na. Ito na. Altering soft lens. Increasing the sag height, tightens the lens. Tama? Di ba sabi mo nga kanina, greater sag height when it is steep. Correct? Correct? Randall, does that make sense? Okay. So pag dinecrease mo yung sag height, it is loose. Correct? Kanina yung flat na ginawa natin kanina. So decreasing the diameter, if I decrease it, it will be loose. Kaya nga sabi mo kanina, when you increase diameter, it's tight. Very good, Randall. Very good. You answered it naman. Correct? Randall, ang dami na naman sagot, oh. Talaga naman, oh. Taas na ng score mo, ha? Alright. Hanggang midterms na to. Hanggang finals na. Dire-diretso na. Let's go. Back surface design. Pag sinabi mong back surface design, yan na. Sige. In the beginning, yan. How? In the beginning, yes. All right. Randall, take a look. It created a contact lens that is called mono curve. A mono curve means one curve, correct? So, iisa lang ang curve niya. Yan. So, yung base curve niya, peripheral curve niya, iisa lahat. Yan. Wala siyang difference. Wala siyang OZD. Wala. Iisa lahat. Okay? Pero, ang problema nito, anong problema, Randall? Sige nga, isipin mo nga, ano nga problema? Maganda magtanong sa face-to-face, no? Pero wala tayo sa face-to-face eh. Anong problema ng mono? Merong malaking plus points ang makakasagot ng tama. +5 kaagad. Yan. Para may quiz tayo sa Saturday, di ba? Alright, may +5 ka na kagad. Sa quiz natin.
Doc,
Go.
kasi ang cornea naman po natin, hindi naman po siya hindi naman isa ang thickness. It flattens at the periphery. So, yung contact
Are we
lens,
talking about thickness? Mali yata yung term mo. Ayusin mo. Bibigyan pa naman kita ng 5 points. Ready
I
na ako
mean,
magbigay. Mali eh. Ano?
curvature, Doc.
Ayun.
Curvature.
Yon.
Iba ang curvature sa center at periphery.
Correct.
Ngayon, dapat mag-adapt din yung ilalagay mo sa mata. Hindi naman pwede yung
Correct.
gano'n lang.
Correct.
Kaso,
Very
Doc,
good.
diba, di
5
na ako
points.
magkikwiz sa Saturday.
5. Ay, oo nga pala, no?
For next week na yan, Doc, no?
Nabigyan ka pa ng 5 points. Grabe. Hindi, confirm na. Wala ka ng quiz. Okay ka na. Sige. Pero magpapasa ka pa rin. Yan. Sumobra ka na eh. Huwag ka na nga sumagot. Ibang tao na nga pasagutin mo. Ikaw talaga. Sagot ka kasi na sagot eh. Hindi naman kita tinatanong.
Ayaw ko pang iwan, Doc.
Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo. Oh, pero perfect. Very good si Randall. Sabi niya, bakit magkakaproblema ka sa one curve? Eh, yung cornea mo, hindi naman one curve, di ba? Alam naman natin na ang cornea ay aspheric, di ba? Alam, sabi nga niya eh, towards the periphery, it flattens. So, ba't mo siya bibigyan ng one curve? It's not gonna work. So, they created what you call a bicurve. Yan, paano yung bicurve? 1. Yun, oh. Ganda ba ng drawing ko? Nawala tuloy. Winala mo eh. Ayan, oh. Ganda ba ng bicurve ko, Randall? Asan ang curve dyan? Turo mo nga. Asan yung bicurve dyan?
Doc, bawal na ako sumagot.
Daya mo ha. O yan, ito ang first curve. Asan yung second curve? Ito ang second curve. Kaya bicurve yan. 1, 2. Yan, meron siyang central curve known as base curve at meron siyang secondary but because to bicurve lang siya, ang tawag mo sa kanya peripheral curve kaagad. So may peripheral curve siya. Okay? So merong base curve at may peripheral curve. Tawag sa kanya ay bicurve. Bi means two, correct? Yan. Ano? Okay. Buy daw, bibili. Tama ba yon, Randall? Nakikisali dong asawa ko. Kala niya yung buy, like, do not buy. O yan. Sige. Let's go. Paano naman yung tri-curve? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Tri-curve. Ano yan? Ito, base curve. Ito, secondary curve. Ito, peripheral curve. Ay, ganun pala yun. Ang galing, no? Ang tawag sa kanya ay tri-curve. Ah. Okay ba yung explanation ko, Randall? Okay, question. Bakit sa tingin mo nag-create ng tri-curve? Huwag mo akong iwanan. Wala ka na nga
Pwede na
quiz.
pa ako sumagot, Doc.
Wala ka namang quiz na ano eh. Sige na lang, laruin na lang natin to.
Sige, Doc, para matapos na to. Medyo ako na.
Tapos na. Iba ka rin ha? Okay.
Hindi, Doc. Kasi, di ba merong multifocal na contact lens? Siguro dun po yun ina-apply.
Mali!
Tapos, sa ano rin, Doc?
Yan. Sige, mali. Mali! Okay, ano?
Second
Saan?
try, Doc.
Second try.
Myopia control, Doc.
Mali!
Mali pa rin, Doc. Sa irregular na cornea, Doc.
Irregular cornea. Ayan. May nagtataas ba ng kamay? Wala. Wala naman. Oh, wala. Oh. So, ibig sabihin yan, yon very good. Na-notice nila, mayroong mga cornea na hindi lang isa ang curve. Di ba? Curve ang pag-usapan natin. Ba't pumunta ka sa progressive? Ba't ka pumunta sa ortho-K. Hindi yan. Ibig sabihin lang yan, nag-create siya ng multiple curves kasi na-notice niya yung cornea ng ibang tao, hindi naman isa lang ang curve. More than one, more than two, even more than three. At na-notice nila, when you adjust the curvature, mas gumaganda ang fit. Yun ang sagot, Randall. Ulitin ko, bakit sa tingin mo gumawa ng tri-curve?
Para sa mga irregular cornea.
Hindi nga sa irregular cornea. Sinabi ko na nga, niloloko mo na naman ako Kakasabi ko pa lang
Para
sa'yo
mas maganda yung kapit, Doc.
Yun ang tamang sagot. Brandel. Yan, pang-board exam na yan Dire-diretso na yan. Yan. Yung plus mo, ibibigay ko sa kay commissioner. Yan. Hoy, sabi ni Randel, meron daw siyang plus points. Yan. I-carry over hanggang sa board exam. Yan. Kasi when you change the curve, mas gumaganda ang FIT. Fit. Yan. Okay tayo. Yan Hindi fit Pag sinabong fit, paayon. Yan. Fit. Yan. Parang fit lang talaga. Good fit. Fit de la fit. Parang naging fit. Okay. Very good Tama ba, Randall? Alright. Ganda ba ng drawing ko? Ganda, no? Alright. Ayan. Single, monocurve, bicurve, and then multicurve. So, yan. Na-explain ko sa ito lahat, Clear tayo? Yan. Now, si back peripheral curves, presence or absence of back peripheral curves is insignificant physiologically. Yan. Mga sinasabi nga yan, lalo na sa soft contact lens, aanin mo pa yung mga curve na yan, didikit lang naman yan sa cornea. Correct? Tama ba yan? Yan. Kaya nga, ang downside niya, alam mo downside, kung ang cornea mo, Randall, ganito, sa tingin mo, ano mangyayari sa contact lens? Baka makatawa ka, malay mo, ganyan ang cornea mo.
Ano yan, Doc? Sierra Madre.
Ano mangyayari sa contact lens mo dyan? Ay, Randall, ano mangyayari sa contact lens mo? Tagal mo sumagot.
Doc, di kakapit.
Hindi ka kapit?
Ay, ipa-follow
Follow lang po
yung
yung shape, Doc.
Yon. Ayun, si Joyce. Naunahan ka na. Joyce, malapit ka nang maging exempted. Tama ka rin. Di ba? Pa-follow niya lang. Pag masagot mo to, accepted ka na rin sa Saturday. Ano mangyayari pag ganyan? Ito yung cornea ko. Nagsuot ako ng soft contact lens. Ano mangyayari? Joyce, ayun. Pag nasagot mo to, exempted ka na.
Di ba pag ganyan po, Doc, hindi po makokorek kung ano man po yung vision problem ng patient?
Bakit?
Kasi po
Bakit?
distorted din po yung shape ng contact lens.
Very good. Hindi distorted lang. Warp.
Warp po.
Yon. Warp, therefore, nag-create ng distortion. Exempted ka na, Joyce. Joyce, exempted ka na. Alright. From La Nina to El Nino lang ang sagot mo dati. Ngayon,
Doc,
accepted ka
seryoso
na.
ba yan, Doc?
Ayaw mo ba? Di pwede
Gusto ko
din.
po. Hindi po,
Ayan,
Doc, gusto ko po.
Ayan. Sagot ka na lang. Gaya mo na si Randall. Sagot-sagot Para, yan yun. So, clear tayo So, changes in the back peripheral curves, especially radial edge lift, affects lens movement substantially. Kasi nga, di ba, yung edge naman, lahat ng contact lens may edge lift. Kasi nga, kung wala yung edge lift, ganito itsura technically ng contact lens. Yon. Umangat ng konti. Ayun, umangat ng konti. Para pag sinuot mo, merong space. Para saan ang space? Para saan yan? Joyce, para saan yan? Bakit may space? Bakit merong lift? Ibig sabihin, nakataas. Ayun oh, nakataas oh, nakaangat oh. Sa tingin mo, anong logical reason bakit may lift? Or axial edge lift. Yan. Axial edge lift. Bakit? Joyce. Iniwanan na ako ni Joyce eh.
Doc, hindi po ba yun para sa ano, yung sa oxygen flow?
Oxygen flow. Paano? Paano? Sige na nga, Joyce. O yan, dito papasok ang tiers. Yan. For tier exchange. Yan. O, lalabas. Papasok. Yan. O, di palabas-pasok, labas-pasok yung tiers. Di ba? Mas maganda. Di ba? Tama ba, Joyce? Joyce!
Yes po, Doc.
Yan. O para saan pa? Ayan, obvious na obvious. Kitang-kita ko. O 1-0. Ano pa? Ano pang reason bakit may edge lift?
Para po maging stable yung placement ng contact lens. Hindi po.
Hindi. Alam mo kagad sagot na hindi po? Hindi. Hindi. Mali. Ano? Isip pa. Isa pa. Ayan. Gagandahan ko drawing ko para sa'yo, ha? Yan, ha? Ito yung cornea. Ito si contact lens. Ayun, oh. Ayan. Ito si cornea. Ayun. O, di ba may space? O, para saan yung space? Tier exchange. Okay, 1-0. Ano pa? Anong naisip mo? Nakainom ka na ba ng Coca-Cola nung bata ka? Yung Coca-Cola, tapos nung bata siya, bago na pala, no? Bata nga pala to. Anong klaseng Coca-Cola bottle ba inabutan mo? Yun ang question ko. Anong Coca-Cola bottle ang inabutan mo? Yung plastic o yung glass?
Yung glass po, Doc.
Umabot ka pa sa glass. Ano ang cover ng glass?
Hindi ko
Kasi
na po nadaan, Doc. Alam ko po, print lang po yun, Doc, sa bote.
Ba, may printing lang. Paano sinasara yung ano? Ang
Tansan, Doc.
Tansan po.
tansya, ayun, tansyan. Yung tansya na yan, ay nakikipag-chito tuloy ako. Yung tansya na yan, yung tansya, di ba? Kailangan ng opener. Saan mo ilalagay yung hook? Dito. Di ba? Para matanggal mo. Paano mo matatanggal yan kung dikit na dikit? Tama ba? Gets mo? Hello?
Apo, Doc.
Nagets mo talaga? Sige nga, explain mo nga kung talagang nagets mo.
Yung concept po niyan is yung sabi niyo po parang sa yung tansan po. Para po mas mabilis pong matanggal yung contact lens po doon sa surface po.
Bakit?
cornea.
Bakit magiging mabilis?
Kasi po meron po siyang space.
Yun! Di ba
Sa
may
gilid po.
space? Yun, may space siya para madali mo matanggal. 2-0 na, 2-0. O, isa pa. Isa na lang. Medyo mahirap yung isa. For flushing of debris. Yan. Yan. Kasi pag may pumasok, may lubas, nag-squirt. Yan. Parang gano'n, no? Squirting. So, nagkakaroon ng flushing of debris. Ano spelling ng debris? Ganyan ba ang debris? Di ba? Ayan. Tama ba? Tama ba, Joyce?
Opo, Doc.
Yan. Oh, very good.
DEBRIS.
Tama, di ba? Yan. Debris. Bakit hindi Hindi debris. Bakit hindi Sige na nga, paala na. Okay, tara let's. All right. Now, front surface design is also important when it comes to lens fit and comfort. Why? Kasi, sabi mo naman, front naman yan ah. Anong kinalaman? Sige nga Joyce, explain mo. Anong kinalaman ng front surface design? Kanina, puro tayo back eh. Ilagay daw natin dito. Oh, ganyan ang itsura ng contact lens ko. Oh, anong problema nito? Plus lens. Plus lens pala yan. Oh, anong problema ng contact lens na ganito? Basahin mo. Front surface design is also important to lens fit and comfort. Bakit? Sige nga. Joyce? Joyce? Iniwanan na ako ni Joyce eh.
Doc, pwede mag-try?
Okay, go ahead, Zach. Zach, what's the answer?
Hindi ako marinig.
Huh?
Hello? Hello
Yes?
po, Doc?
Yes.
Bale,
Can you...
I think front surface
Oh.
design is important kasi dun po kung saan nagre-rest yung eyelid.
Nagre-rest ang eyelid.
Opo.
Ayun. So, okay. So, kung nag-rest ang eyelid doon, ano mangyayari?
So for example, kapag masyadong maumbok, ramdam na ramdam yung ng upper lid mo yung contact lens. So maging
Very
uncomfortable.
good. Very good. Ano, exempted ka na rin ba? Teka, konti pa, Zach. Very good. O yan, Zach. Very good, ha? Kasi nga, di ba, ramdam na ramdam mo. Kasi di ba ito yung contact lens. Ito yung eyelid mo. Eh kung sobrang taba, di ba, mararamdaman niya ng contact lens. Mararamdaman niya ng lid mo. Eh kung yung contact lens mo patusok, eh di natutusok yung eyelid. Di ba? Yung palpebral inside, masakit. Correct, Zach?
Yes po, Doc.
Oh, very good ha. Konting sagot pa. O saan naman pumasok comfort ng pinag-usapan natin? Saan yung lens fit doon? Zach.
Iniisip ko po, Doc, kasi kapag masyadong maumbok, pwedeng ma-push ng upper lid. So baka dahil doon dumudulas-dulas na siya sa cornea.
What do you mean? Can you expand? Can you expound? Can you explain more?
Doc, kasi for example, in my experience, kasi kapag
Alright.
ramdam na ramdam ko yung contact lens sa mata ko, medyo bumpy yung harap niya. Ang nangyayari po is when I'm looking to the side or peripherally,
Alright.
wala sa proper fitting yung contact lens.
Very good. Very good. Another candidate for exemption for the quiz. Zach, you are exempted. Exempted na ba? Hindi pa. Kulang pa yata sagot mo, Zach eh. Sige, sagutin mo tong
Sige,
next.
Doc, tanong ka lang.
Sige. Okay. Ito na. Front surface design, somewhat dependent on the manufacturing process. Of course, parang car lang yan. Kanya-kanyang design lang yan. Kaya yung dinesign ni Rolls-Royce, naglagay ng payong. Yan. If zero gel part fabrication process, vehicle zero gel becomes aspheric after dehydration, swelling is an isotropic. Okay. Gotcha. So, ito yung itsura niya, no? Sabi mo nga. So, one thing that you can do with the front is always in relation to, sige, explain mo lang yan. Front is in relation to, while the back is in relation to, Zach, the front surface is in relation to, while back is in relation to,
Doc, di ko po makita yung slide. Mabagal po yung internet ko.
mabagal na yung internet mo. Isipin mo na lang. Sabi daw, the front surface is in relation to what?
Doc, yung eyelid.
Very good. While the back surface is
Is
in
your
relation.
cornea.
Very good. Exempted na ba? Okay, getting there. Front surface design, commonly bicurve, of course, peripheral chosen, to thin edge, of course. Bakit mas maganda ang thinner than thicker? Na-answer mo naman kanina, di ba? Alam naman natin na yan. So, multiple peripheral spherical curves, of course, kasi sabi din kanina, the more curve, the better the fit, right? Yeah, because the cornea to begin with is aspheric. Very good. Front surface design. Front surface may include bifocal or multifocal component, such as continuous aspheric surface. You have the concentric bifocal and the flat top. Meaning to say, Zach, even contact lens, they also have a flat top, just like your lens. It tawag natin dyan, di ba? Doble vista. We also have the concentric bifocal, wherein it's like ring-like, alternating far near, which is your design. Okay. Now, soft lens edge design and thickness. Edge positioned under both lids, of course. Edge has relatively little effect on comfort, especially when it comes to soft. Why is it? Because again, by default, it's softer against hard. But for first timer, for sure, wearing contact lens is a foreign body. That's why it's not gonna be as comfortable. But what we're talking about here is not creating naman so much pain. Okay, that's why relatively comfortable. Yes. So edge design may be limited by manufacturing, by design yan. Just like, as I've said, yung car designs, iba-iba, di ba? Thickness governed by durability. The thicker the contact lens, the harder to tear. Tama ba yon, Zach?
Yes po, Doc. Makes sense naman.
Makes sense, di ba? Alright. Kaya, yan lang ang sagot niyo dyan. Aspheric soft lenses. Here, aspheric means conicoid. Ayan. Babalikan natin si conicoid. Did I taught you conicoid, Zach?
Pahapyaw lang po, Doc.
Ah, okay. So yung conicoid, sorry for the, did I teach you conicoid? I think I did, no? Ito siya. So conic section, meaning to say, meron kang ellipsoidal, paraboloidal, hyperbola, which is part of a conic section. Ano yung ibig sabihin niya? Ibig na sabihin niyan, yung flatter area. Okay, merong ellipse. As mentioned, ellipse is equal to 0.5 flattening, while hyperbola is equal to 1, parabola is equal to 1 millimeter flattening. Circle is 0. Hyperbola is greater than 1. So, Zach, are we clear on that?
Yes po, Doc.
Yan. So, meaning to say, if your cornea has a shape like this, kasi ganito siya eh. If this is your cornea, di ba nanonotice mo? Ang drawing ng cornea is like this. Correct? So, iba yung shape niya dyan. Iba ang shape niya sa periphery because it's flattened. Now, if you follow the center or the apical curve, dapat ganito siya. And this is your circle. Ano ang flattening ng circle?
0 po.
0. Di ba? Hindi naman siya nag-flatten eh. It follows kasi. Pero pag ito, nag-flatten, it did not follow the supposed curve, nag-flatten siya. Yan. Pag 0.5 is
Ellipse.
very good. 1 is,
Parabola.
and more than 1 is
Hyperbola.
very good. Exempted na talaga. All right, exempted na. Very good. Alright, so clear tayo dyan sa quiz, ha? Ayan, kasama to sa quiz, ha? Alright. Now, what is eccentricity? Based on what we said, there's a flattening. So, flattening is actually an eccentricity. As eccentricity is the amount of flattening. Kaya yung flattening is in direct relation to eccentricity. Are we clear, Zach?
Yes, sir.
Yan. Very good. So, why aspheric? Because aspheric contact lens attempts to optimize the cornea that is aspheric. Correct? Aspheric naman pala yung cornea mo. Eh, di bigyan na lang rin kita ng aspheric design. Correct? Now, aspherics reduce local bearing, pressure due to peripheral curve, or the transitional zone discontinues. Hence, the multicurve. Tama ba yun, Zach?
Yes, po.
Yes. All right. Cornea is not symmetrical. That was already established. Kaya nga, hindi siya circle eh. Di ba? It's usually not large. Cornea is considered an ellipsoidal with eccentricities. Yan. Sabi nga natin, ano yung mga eccentricity? Parabola, hyperbola, and ellipsoidal. So, may mga eccentricity siya. So, hindi siya magfa-follow sa dapat niyang i-follow. Nagpa-flatten siya peripherally. Okay. Available aspherics. Few aspheric soft lenses are marketed. Most have continuous aspheric back curve. Production easier with lathe or molding. That's how you create contact lens, by the way. By fabrication. Lathing or molding. Yan. Yung lathing, para siyang sculpture. Si molding, para siyang ice cube. Di ba? Pag nilagay mo yung water sa ice tray, pag nag-freeze, it creates a mold. So, ganun lang kadali yan. Soft aspherics requires fewer back curve, attractive, medyo easier to stock. Kaya yung mga companies would like talaga to have stocks para readily available. Diba? That's why you were able to buy contact lenses. Now, aspheric advantages, better lens cornea per limbal fitting, fewer base curve steps required, lens fit less sensitive to lens diameter changes, increased lens movement, bearing pressure more uniform. Sarap naman, Zach. Exempted ka na sa first quiz ko. Ano ba yung first quiz ko? Ang first quiz ko is history, di ba? Zach, history lang kayo exempted, ha?
Okay lang, Doc. Ayoko ng history.
Okay. Sa history part, sa next time na tayo mag-quiz ng dito. Kasi marami na tayong cover. So, this Saturday, history. Guys, for all of you, history muna ang quiz natin. Wala tayong quiz sa history. So, mag-history muna tayo. So, may 3 tayong exempted. Yan. So, aspheric disadvantages, lens shape not optically optimal. At first, visual effect when decentered, visual acuity may not be optimum. More difficult to manufacture kasi nga aspheric siya. So, merong pros and cons, no? That's how it is. Wala naman talagang perfection. Alright? Next, aspheric disadvantage. More expensive to manufacture. Not readily available. Perceived to be more complex and may decenter and move more than spherical design. Okay, at least we understand that. Merong advantages si aspheric, pero meron din siyang disadvantages. So, memorize this, the manufacturing processes. We have lathing, which is limitations, simple designs only. Molding, unhydrous, few but an isotropic expansion on hydration changes the lens shape. Now, we have molding just like ice. Wet stabilized, almost none. Spin casts, meaning to say your machine is spinning while you are creating a shape. Only simple back surface design is possible. So, molding and lathing, of course, meron siyang lathing limitations. While spin cast and lathing ay lathing limitations din. Yan ah. Memorize this. Use mnemonics to remember. Range of soft contact lenses. Total diameter. You have 12 millimeters to 15 millimeters. Yan. Kaya automatically, mas malaki ang diameter ng soft contact lens than your HVID. Correct? Automatic na yan. BOZR, or also known as base curve, is a range somewhere about 7.6 to 9.6. Center thickness, meaning to say from flat to steeper, or steeper to flat. Yeah, 7.6. Which is steeper here, 7.6 or 9.6?
7.6.
Very good. Center thickness of 0.035 to 0.35. Yeah. You have, of course, front vertex. We have the cylinder. We have the water content. What do we remember about water content? Zach? What is important about water content? The higher the water content, nako, buti na lang. Nakalimutan ni Zach. The higher the water content, wala nang nakasagot.
We higher the
More
oxygen
permeable.
permeability.
Very good. Sino yun? Randall? Si Joyce?
Opo.
Joyce po, Doc.
Si Joyce. Galing talaga. Exempted talaga si Joyce. The higher the water content, the more permeable the contact lens is. Very good. So meaning to say, the lower the water content, the lesser the permeability. Yan. Unfortunately, Joyce, it also goes with deposits. The higher the water content, the more attraction to deposits. Ay, ganun pala yun. Kaya meron kang non-ionic and ionic. To combat yung deposit attraction. Ano yung deposit? Yung pera sa bangko? Deposit? Meron tayong protein deposits and lipid deposit. Are we clear, Joyce?
Sorry po, Doc. Nagpuputol po kasi mahina po yung internet ko po.
Okay. Paano mo maintindihan yung lecture ko pala? Okay. The higher the water content, the higher the attraction to deposits. Yun ang downside niya ng high water content. Lahat talaga merong plus and minus, no? Si low water content, low permeability, pero lower din ang attraction niya sa deposits. Okay. Clear tayo? Alright.
Apo, Doc. Thank you po.
Alright. Okay. Then you have your thickness. And then, of course, lastly, last na ba? Hindi pa. Maba pa. Kunti pa. Yan. Lens mass. Pag sinabing lens mass, di ba? Mas marami. Mas nga mass. Yan. Thickness, of course, mas makapal. Mas mabigat. Tama ba? Mas malaki yung back vertex power niya, yung water content, and diameter. Yun ang mga nagko-contribute for the lens mass. Bakit mo sinasabing massive? Di ba? When you say massive, massive ka naman. Yan. It depends on thickness. Mas makapal, of course, massive. Back vertex power, mas mataas ang power, mas massive. Mas maraming tubig, mas massive. Mas malaki, mas massive. Of course, alam na natin yan. Clear tayo so far? All right. Because of that, thank you very much for listening. Marami na tayong natutunan. Tama ba, mga kapatids? Tama ba, Randall? Basta uwian. Lagi
Opo,
kang
Doc. Tama po.
Pag uwian, lagi kang nakangiti talaga eh. Okay, uwian na. Uwian na. Kita mo, itong mga classmates mo, pag uwian na talaga, oh, nagiging active. Tan, 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 tan. Okay. Good night, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. See you Saturday.
Thank you po,
Thank you,
Doc.
Doc. Good night.
Thank
Thank you po,
you.
Doc.